I do think it would.
Yeah, it will look very nice on you.
As if it wouldn't look nice on his girlfriend. So you should maybe probably try doing something like that.
I'll try and later.
You will try.
I'll try and later.
As if it would not want to
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
So call me if you need more.
Sure.
Fine, Bobo.
And you can say that again. But what is he doing here 7?
I wonder.
Oh, my sweet son.
Okay.
I hear he lived in the US.
Wow, it gets better.
Charlie, he's nice. So it's a nice guy. Hey, but I'm Bobby Mwinyao.
No.
Let's say something.
Don't mind him, he's just jealous.
Oh, come on.
What are you doing here? All you had to do was drop a text. You see? Anywhere you are, we bring it to your doorstep.
Great pitch, Mama Sweet.
I had a great teacher.
Mama Sweet, who is the hunk you've got working for you?
Your brother, my son Seidu.
The one in America?
Yes. He has just finished his, what is it you people call it? A master's.
Wow, Mama Sweet, you are blessed. And he's here serving Wachi. What humility. You've trained him well.
Maybe too well.
How do you mean?
He says he wants to stay and go into partnership with me to expand the business.
Splendid.
You side with him? Instead of staying abroad and wearing nice suit and tie, you want him here, serving Wachi. Okay.
Mama Sweet. Those are some great points. But what is his argument? I believe you said he was doing an MBA in finance.
Exactly. Ever since he was a child, all he wanted to do is work in a big bank. I think he likes the way they walk and talk and their suits.
And now he's gone abroad and seen even better suits and ties. Yet he wants something different. There must be a reason.
Ima, Zo.
Come. Let me introduce you.
Ah, you must be the angel.
Angel?
Yes. Angel Ama. You are just like she described you. Beautiful and intelligent.
Intelligent?
Yes.
How can you tell?
From your eyes. I can tell from your eyes.
And I also told you that she's a married woman.
Mama Sweet, what has marriage got to do with this?
There's a limit to the way a man can compliment you.
Okay. I've been appropriately chastised.
Ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Solutions
Miranda, if Ajia catches you,
By the time she realizes, it'll be too late.
so you're not even thinking of?
And why not? He's a handsome, resourceful man. And he likes to nurture his own words.
So you mean you guys do it without?
He is so sweet, gentle, and so caring after.
You did what? Miranda. This is unbelievable. Miranda.
It's been a pleasure. Hope to see you again.
Definitely. I've heard only good things about you and your husband. Thank you for taking care of my mom.
Oh, it's nothing. She's been a blessing to me. Her wise words.
Oh, you two are so sisters, eh? Great. I'll swing by Solutions to greet you properly. I'd like to meet Kofi too.
Anytime.
Okay. So I'll see you. Bye.
Inaza.
Mama Kente, that is a fine man you have there.
Allah is gracious.
But you know what, Mama? Please listen to him. Find out what he really wants out of this life. What drives him. How he wants to be seen. These are the key things to consider in making a choice like he's faced with.
Dad, look at him. Just imagine. Imagine him wearing a blue suit, white shirt, navy blue tie.
Hey, Mama.
Seated behind a big desk in one of those things.
Skyscraper.
Yes, skyscraper.
Mama, sweet. Those people who sit at the desk are those that push the paper, while those who do the real work are on the ground.
Still, what about all the others? What about the nice cars and the big houses?
I'll see you. Bye-bye.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. So you see, God has given us lights, all of us. Wherever we are, we have to be outstanding and do good things. Everybody in your small corner, like that. Then Allah will bless us, you see.
Michael.
Seidu, why are you now coming? Your sister has been home 30 minutes ago.
I passed through the library to pick some books. Seidu, I got this for you.
Thank you.
Okay, quick, help us.
Ma. Emma, why do you do what you do?
What kind of question is that? You mean, why do I cater for you or why do I sell watches?
Both.
Well, I enjoy doing both. Taking care of your children and selling watches. With your children, it gives me an inner satisfaction. With watches, it makes people happy.
Now I know what I want to do.
Then what is that?
Making people happy.
So where are you guys going tonight?
Okay, so tonight is also at my place and I'm preparing him dinner. Thereafter, I leave the imagination to yourself.
Cooking, dear. It is very good. You have gotten him now, but you know what? I will give you something small to add to his food and then bingo, he is all yours. Uncle Bebia.
You mean something like juju to put inside his food for him?
Yes, just a little to make him stay.
Na lie. Tofia kwa. Not me, Mansima. Nye me, Mansima.
Hey, it was the only power. You don't like good things, huh? These good men are hard to come by these days. And when you're back, I'm telling you something small just to make him stay and not go anywhere else. Here, Wano.
And what has it done for you so far? Because I don't see anything.
Oh, sorry. I was only trying to help you.
No, thank you. I like it natural, just as he does. No artificial matters.
Yo, what are you to know? You to know.
You see, the fact that I said I like it natural doesn't mean I'm not going to work around it. I'm going to light scented candles, and then I have this short transparent dress that I'll be wearing. It's very hot. You should see it.
Now you are talking. You better work it. You're talking like my friend.
Solutions, everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes. It go make your yield plenty, not less. Prosperity, no.
What are you up to?
Mom, the transaction has gone through already. These guys are very fast.
Bank, Papa, no?
I just finished the write-up. I want us to visit Solutions tomorrow.
So you are serious about this expansion thing?
Oh, definitely, Ima. You know I don't talk for nothing. Look, your business is very scalable and bankable. You have a very unique brand of wache that can compete favorably anywhere in Ghana first, the world later. You have heard of Nando's, KFC, McDonald's, and what have you. Great global brands selling unique foods. How do you think they started? On the local front, we've seen the emergence of Odo Rice, CDD, etc. Look, 5 years from now, I want Mama Sweet to be mentioned in those terms.
Amen.
Aha! That's the spirit. Now that I see everything is under control here, I'll get back to the hotel.
Hotel? I don't understand. Why do you insist on going to sleep in a hotel when you have a room prepared for you in the house that you yourself helped build?
Thanks, Imma. But I've told you, the hotel suits my needs best. There's the gym and swimming pool for exercise, 24-hour news on all channels, Wi-Fi connectivity, and more importantly, the ambience. I thought you'd be happy. After all, you don't want me to stay here. And the hotel means I'm transient.
You forget that I gave birth to you, eh? You think I don't know why you want to be in the hotel?
Mama Sweet!
It's the girls, eh?
Oh,
girls.
Girls. Me, girls. Oh, you know I'm a one-woman man.
So, who is this girl? Who is this one woman?
What a trap! I refuse to be snared. But you'll be the first to know if I meet anyone serious.
So now you are also your wild oats, eh? Be careful. Be careful, Seidu. The girls these days, they're bad.
Everywhere you go, you find good girls and bad girls. Also, good boys and bad boys. But thanks for the advice.
At all. Tomorrow then.
Okay, okay.
Take care. Take very good care of yourself. Come here. You are so tough.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Come early.
I'll come early. 7 o'clock.
And call me before you sleep. I want to know you are okay.
You know, Nasri Kakre, where would know with him some media set? The Pamon customers now.
Master, hey. What made did my time because my bet now shop and no. What? First, near any more, visit any more. Yammy shop and now bet na didi. I made do my time. Time na assassin keke.
And for somebody, a man can't ask him the cry. And maybe I never told you, and I'm with you patrol. Rabena may be power than I'm not sure if I'm Miss Leo.
Debbie, now free there. We're going to come down on time. No, I'm Johnny in the mouth. Who did me fruit? When I'm kind of my bankrupt.
And maybe I made toward the Biana Musica.
That's how free.
My cousin,
free, sir. Hey, Seidu, is that you? So you've come and you look for me.
Oh, come on. You've seen me now, haven't you?
Hey, American man, how are you?
No, I'm fine.
What do you bring for me?
No, you have not changed, eh?
I should change for what?
But how are you?
I'm fine. Tell us to me now. Hey, have you heard of someone's death?
Oh, yes, I did. I'm so sorry.
I said no. I'm on my ear basa, my ear disorganized, my ear tattered.
But what happened to your stall? I was asking him.
My store asem na obeka nani. E ka se be castor na asem na ye na. Spiritual attack. Fruits kakra meton spiritual attack. Seidu. Omo attacking me left, right, center. Onim. Anye say me sometimes they am meton ade pan sa dey no. And I'm sick nyina be yira.
Are you sure?
I swear wallahi anye say me mu ye din ya eno mercy. Ka we ba na me obituary. We dey start asem no talk about it later because if you want to start Won't finish today.
Ah, okay. You know what? We have to talk, eh? But
Hey,
in the interim,
my country, sir. Seidu.
you take this, eh? Take
This is
this.
Seidu.
Take this. Okay. So I'm here for another 2 weeks. So I'll see you before I leave.
Now Seidu. Now where is Gary?
No, you have not changed.
I changed for what? Oh, Babika home.
You take this.
I know how you do.
So I'll see you before I leave, okay?
Okay, brother.
All right.
Merci. Merci. No, you could. So the man that tell her. That question would be.
Witchcraft. Is it my fault or you took?
I say man no can say no.
Now you know. How Java no US no.
Oh, sir.
The be not so not just go. What the hell? What tell me how me ko share no wa sanche for.
Merci. Into be born home more than you show about 300 Ghana cedis. What time no so you took?
So you be phone me but no say 300 cedis on the man.
And it's also do you where na see me.
And I mean wa. I talk.
Or maybe he felt pity on you.
Me? Pity on me?
Yes.
It's me a pitiful.
I mean, can't say pitiful, but I mean, maybe he just considered you, and I say he was just being nice.
So I'm a fool.
Patrol. And Jim Manu Kosi Sunaso. Mindy what them. 1 hour can and you can.
Mamma, sorry for uncle. It's because my better and two bed dimatem. Send me a pitiful.
Made him with you at them.
Mamma,
not Mesuko.
And then I went your shop, can't any anymore. And then I went your shop. Now I won't make us and deal with tobacco. I
can pay 50 be my Hey, Mercy was a standard.
Eba. Solutions, Eba.
Mama. You know it's because of this hot cocoa I keep coming here.
I know. But where is Seidu?
Off to the hotel. That's another reason I came to see you. He says he wants to come over and talk to you about an expansion plan.
That's great. But hotel?
That's where he sleeps and spends more than half his day. He says he doesn't want to get in my way. Can you imagine? Eh?
I see.
You see, I'm surprised. How can you come home and then sleep in a hotel?
Mama, he's a young man. He sleeps in the hotel, yet comes to sell Wache with you.
You see, you are supporting him again.
I'm not supporting him, Mama. Why? Are you afraid of the girls?
Pepe. He is fish fresh from the water. he thinks this place is New York.
He lived in New York? The Big Apple? Mama, don't worry. You worry too much. He'll be fine. He can take care of himself. Trust me.
You don't know. Look, see, what is it you call it? Tactics. The tactics in New York, different from Accra.
Mama.
Back, okay? Oh, you. Okay. You want more, eh? Okay, I'll be back. Don't go anywhere. Just stay right there. I'll be back.
do we have?
Now I'm going to feed you.
Okay.
Okay, so we start with the soup. There is smoked fish and meat just as you ordered.
Definitely.
You stallion.
Say that again.
You heard me. You just want me to say it again. Okay. You are good.
You make me good. You are very...
Really? What? Okay. So my machines were fixed today.
Okay.
Which means I can start packaging my own shea butter products.
Oh, wow. Wow, come here. I knew you were a star the moment I heard you talk. And that is why I have decided to stay.
Huh? You mean you're coming to live in Ghana?
Yeah, correct.
Hey! Oh my God, I'm dead. Your mom would think I bewitched you.
Oh, then bewitch me some more. I'm more fulfilled here. Let's enjoy this.
Okay. Your turn, your turn.
You worry too much. He's been living on his own in New York for 8 years. Don't worry, he can take care of himself.
You know very soon. You will soon know you are going to be a man. You can feel it from here when something's not right.
Mama. Oh, don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. So I'll see you, okay? I'll come by. Bye, but don't worry too much.
He who thinks he has in abundance, let him lose it. He who thinks he's just returned from abroad, so we are nobody. May he come down. And wherever he got his wealth from, seal that avenue.